Alrighty, we have just arrived at Monkey Mia, and before you get to the Caravan Park you do have to pay some reserve conservation fees. Even if you do have your national parks yearly pass or whatever annual pass, you still have to pay extra fees on top visitor fees for this one. Adults are $15 a day, concession 10, child is 6 years and older is $5 a day, or there's 1 monthly passes if you're staying for more than whatever it works out. I think if it's more than three nights or more, then it works out to be better to just pay the month pass. Not sure what we pay for this. We did get an email about it.
Thank you.
Alrighty, we are here. We're on site 454. It's a nice big gravel site. You can kind of see it. The truck's a bit over on the road at the moment while we're getting organised. Nice and big and flat. Gravelly though, so keep that in mind. Obviously grass doesn't grow here very well. And you wouldn't believe it, we knew there was people here that we knew, and when they're parked up behind us. That's Van Roman. We were talking to them yesterday, and we camped with them a few times now, and I said, we'll see you tomorrow at Monkey Mia. Wasn't expecting to have to rock up and be next to them, which is awesome. So we know what we're doing this afternoon when they get back from wherever they are exploring. It was about $50 a night here, and with our RSC discount and our main discount, I'll have to check the double figures and pop them in for you, 100% what it worked out to be, but wasn't too bad. But you do have to remember, you need your national parks fee and the entry fee as well, so it does add to the cost of coming here to Monkey Mia. Anyway, we'll show you around here and what we get up to.
Oh, we just had dinner at the bar. I don't even know what it's called at Monkey Mia.
The casual one.
The casual one, yes, not the restaurant. Had chips and a burger each. They were quite nice, quite tasty.
Not too bad, expensive was.
Yeah.
22,
24.
Yeah.
We're pretty remote here, so yeah. Had a pint, had a few pints actually.
Happy hour.
Happy hour. $10 pint.
The surrounds is just beautiful.
Yeah, the beach, and we saw some dolphins swimming down the beach. And
Palm trees, fairyland.
kids area playing, kids, they're all playing. Yeah, 2 thumbs up.
It's a nice way to spend the arvo.
2 thumbs up.
Good morning. Aria and I are off for the dolphin interaction this morning here at RAC Monkey Mia. Not sure what to expect, but we'll show you what we can do. So, normally, prior to COVID, you can get selected, luckily, to feed a fish to a dolphin. However, with COVID, they're not doing that. They have said the reason is because they don't know if dolphins can catch COVID from humans. So that's their reasoning behind it. They would prefer not to risk people of the public feeding the dolphins in case they catch COVID, pass COVID onto them. Fair enough, in a way. I thought there was already research done that couldn't happen, but maybe I'm wrong. Anyway, it's always good to come and see those dolphins. They were really close. They fed them really well, so they actually came out of the water to kind of take the fish, as you would have seen. Rather than so you could see their eyes and their mouth and stuff as they ate, which is really cool. I enjoyed that a lot.
How far?
It was 7:45 in the morning for the first session, and then they then they have a 10-minute break, and then they do offer sessions 2 and 3, but they're not guaranteed that the dolphins actually come back in for those sessions. So 7:45 is the time, apparently. I don't know if that changes over the different times of the year or anything like that, but I think it's pretty much around the same time.
You do need to remember to bring your pass with you that you get at the gate to show them that you have checked in and all that kind of thing. Yeah, anyway, we're going to head back for breakfast now and see what the day brings. It's a beautiful day, the weather's lovely. A little bit chilly this morning with the breeze, but hopefully that goes away. And don't know what we'll get up to. What are we up to, Aria?
Going kayaking.
Going kayaking at Monkey Mia, aren't we?
Yeah.
Yeah. What are we hoping to see?
Dolphins.
Dolphins. We'll see, hey? I'm not sure if we'll have any luck, but we'll give it a go. It's really calm. The wind has died down. I was going to come out earlier. Luckily, it took me a while to get organised. And say bye to people that were leaving today because the wind has calmed down a bit, which is nice. Anyway, let's go for a paddle.
Hit my head on the concrete back in high school. Knocked out cold, but I still remember it so well.
Hi. We're going for a little bit paddle today. You like it?
It's the good and bad and the best of memories. It's been so long, but you still remember me. And after all these years, I found out finally that I can't go back or change it, but I wouldn't trade a moment. Everybody is moving on to new things. We're still young, but looking back's like history. Oh, and all of the memories that we made will last a lifetime. And even the worst ones made us who we are today. It's the good and bad and the best of memories. It's been so long, but
Good morning. We are off to explore Francois Peron National Park this morning for a day trip. We are just started the four-wheel drive truck and we are putting our tyres down because it's a dirt road, it's sandy. That's what you do.
Amanda's helping with the tyres. I'm filming.
If you watch us regularly, you'll know why he's making a big deal out of that.
There you go.
Getting there. It's a process.
Yeah.
So we use a quickie tyre deflator, which is King's branded. It works perfectly fine. It's cheap. Why don't you do the other bit? I've done my share. Sharing's caring. I've done too.
This is our first time running the Federal Explorer RT rugged terrain tyres. Put them on in Perth a little while ago. They've been okay on the road, a little noisier than what we were used to, but that's okay. We did have black bear mud terrain tyres, and they were pretty good. They didn't get as much life as we thought out of them. I think it was about 40,000 Ks. There's some people have told me that's normal for this size and type of tyre, and other people have said that's not normal, so I don't know, we'll see how we go. This is the Federal Explorer, and this is their first time off-road. We're in the sand. We're running them at 60 psi on the road, which seems to be okay. And we've lowered them down today to 35 for this sandy track. Seems to be working. Apparently there's a bit of soft sand around near the end of the track from what our friends told us. So might have to go down lower, but we'll cross that bridge when we get there. Enjoy the ride. Sand's a bit soft. Like soft and then not soft. Should be able to follow my own wheel tracks that hopefully. They're usually a bit distinctive because I've got big boy tyres on.
What happened?
There's a tight turn. And I braked.
And it's soft.
And I didn't want to stall it. So, just stopped. Jumped on the rear diff lock. Lower gear. Bob's your uncle. Bob's your uncle.
Alright, we've made it to Cape Peron. We're gonna have lunch here, have a look all around. The sand is as red as the photos. It's pretty cool. Alrighty, so you saw that we dropped in at Skipjack Point for a lookout. It was very, very windy, and there were some people there at the same time as us, and they said, go on the other side. And we're like, we will be. So much nicer. So we did drop in at the next stop, which was Bottle Bay, and we've driven all the way down on the beach. Pretty soft sand, but we handled it okay, and it is absolutely stunning. It's got that red cliff, blue water right at the end. So if you do come to Bottle Bay, make sure you do go all the way to the right as you come onto the beach down to the end, because it's so worth it. I'll show you some footage. Last stop for the day is the big lagoon, which has got a campground at it, which you can bring your caravan to, but you'd only want to bring your caravan if it's an off-road or semi-off-road. Take it slow because that road is rough. There's plenty of spots you book online, and yeah, you can camp right next to this gorgeous inlet. We just came to have a sticky bake, tick it off the list. We may or may not come back and camp another time here. It's pretty nice.
Alright, what you up to, Manda?
Well, you know, doing some forward driving. Okay, what's it called? No, Francois Peron.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Killing it.
Proving that girls can do it. Doesn't always have to be the men to drive.
I did do the difficult bits though.
There were no difficult bits.
Sure.
There were none.
Sure. There's really some sandy bits.
They weren't that. There was some tracks that you just followed. How good is this? There's a air compressor for you to use, so you don't have to use your own. What? Any good, Daniel? It's really slow. So we might use ours as well. Get this done quicker. Anyway, summary of the day was good. Did you enjoy that, Daniel?
Pardon?
Did you enjoy that?
Yeah, it was nice.
Good day. It's very worth it, I think. So beautiful.
Yeah.
On a beautiful day, it's so worth it. It's so spectacular. The colours of the water and the colours of the sand and all of that. So definitely put this one on the list. Track's not that bad. It's not like, you know, obstacles or anything like that. It's just rough and soft. So yeah, definitely. I had a splendid day. There's your parents. Oh, I'm right next to you.
Oh, imagine if we bloody hit him.
Oh no.
In front of his mum.
In front of
Dad.
Dad. The road between Denham and Monkey Mia is beautiful little lagoon. It is so beautiful. That blue water coming in from the ocean is just spectacular. So calm, it's sheltered. There's barbecues and a little shade hut. And you can drive around it on a little part of it as well if you're a full drive. It's definitely a spot to bring your kayak or your stand-up paddleboard. We unfortunately have run out of time, so we are quickly stopping in on the way back out of town. But it's on the list for next time, that's for sure, because it's stunning. Love it. Hope you can see that colour in the background there. Anyway, we're moving on. See what we get up to today.